Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you set up Google reCAPTCHA for your website? Simply visit google.com/reCAPTCHA/admin/create. You should already have a webmaster account set up with Google prior to doing this. You'll get taken to this page. We're just going to give the label a name, so we're just going to put in demo just for the purpose of this video. Brilliant Directories uses a Challenge v2 currently, although they are looking to upgrade to the v3, and I'm not a robot checkbox. We're going to then put the domain name just in here. Look at the example, how it gives you example.com. So when we grab the domain name from here, we'll put in the domain name, and then we're going to take out a prefix and that at the end. So it just says membership websites demo.net. We've also attached the project name just for the purpose of this demo. We're going to click on submit, and then we're going to be given a site key and a secret key. So we click on copy site key, we go to the admin area, we go to settings, general settings, we'll go to integrations, and then we scroll down, and where it says Google reCAPTCHA secret key, we'll paste the first key in. We then need to go back to Google reCAPTCHA and copy the second key. We go back to admin and we put the secret key in. So that's the secret key, and this is just the site key. We then go to the top of the page. You'll notice we've got a website alert up here because we haven't currently got Google reCAPTCHA set up. We're going to save the changes. So we're saving the keys, we'll refresh, and you'll notice the website alert will disappear. That's Google reCAPTCHA now set up for the website. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.